High above the sleeping world, where the sky turns velvet blue and smells like cold starlight, lived a tiny star named Nova. Nova was the smallest star in the whole night sky. She was smaller than a teardrop, even smaller than a dandelion seed. But she sparkled brighter than anyone else, so bright that even the wise old owls blinked when they looked up at her. Nova absolutely loved shining. She twinkled every single night, humming a soft, glowy song while the other stars danced in their familiar patterns across the sky. But then, one chilly evening, something strange happened. Nova felt a tickle in her nose. Achoo. She sneezed so hard she spun completely upside down. When she finally stopped spinning, she gasped. Her sparkle was gone. Not just dim, not just quiet. It was completely gone. She was just a small, round speck in the dark. "Oh no," Nova whispered. I think I forgot how to shine."